I'm Dr. Rachel from Evolve Dental in Kenmore. I want to talk to you about tooth coloured fillings and onlays and inlays, why we use them, when we use them and who they're suitable for. I also want to talk about the benefits and advantage of them so you understand why when we recommend them, the rationale and the reasoning behind that. So we believe in two things at Evolve Dental, that you should have a beautiful looking natural smile and also you should have a healthy smile. Now there are certain filling materials that are used in dentistry, the silver metal ones, that just don't look attractive, and also there's concerns about them because they contain mercury. So for us, we don't want to be putting those in your teeth. We want your teeth to look beautiful and we want your teeth to be healthy. So let's explore about tooth coloured fillings and tooth coloured restorations. So at Evolve Dental, we can restore a tooth with a minimally invasive procedure known as an inlay, onlay or a filling. Now inlay, onlays and fillings are restorations that are made for teeth that have a mild to moderate amount of decay or tooth structure missing. They can be made of a composite resin material or porcelain, which is specifically made and crafted in a dental laboratory. Once completed, they're bonded into the tooth and have a very natural appearance and feel. So we use, as I said, the composite resin or the porcelain fillings. And the reason we use those we'll restore teeth that are cracked or fractured if the damage is not severe enough to require a dental crown. We'll replace metal fillings for patients who desire a more natural looking smile, and we'll use white fillings to help strengthen a tooth and conserve as much of your natural tooth structure as possible. Now how we do this is that fillings fill the hole inside your tooth. I know that seems pretty obvious. A porcelain onlay sits in the hole and the top of the tooth and it covers it over to rebuild its shape and add strength to it to reduce the risk of the tooth further cracking or fracturing. White fillings go inside the tooth and there are different materials that we use. Although they're durable, they don't last as long as porcelain. So if you want really long lasting dentistry, or if you're a bit nervous and you don't want to keep coming back to have work redone, ceramic or porcelain's probably a better option. Now, the treatment involves getting the tooth nice and numb, removing any old fillings or damaged tooth structure or decay. With a filling, we place the filling directly in the tooth, we bond it inside and we set it, and then we do any polishing and shaping, and it's all done and usually in one visit. With a ceramic or porcelain inlay or onlay, we drill everything away that we need to. We take an impression or imprint of the tooth, and then that goes away to an off-site ceramic lab and they'll make the porcelain for us. In the meantime, we make a temporary filling, we protect the tooth with that until the porcelain inlay is ready. When it's completed, it's placed into the tooth and it's bonded, it's interlocked and securely in place, and then we make sure that it's comfortable in the bite. So what are the benefits of having these inlays, onlays and white fillings? Well, if we want to treat dental decay, they help eliminate tooth sensitivity and eventual tooth loss. We remove the decay, fill the tooth. The fact that we're using tooth coloured materials means they're virtually invisible. They just look like your teeth. Unlike metal, they're nice and firm, they don't expand or contract, with temperature and biting or hot and cold foods. And that reduces the risk of further cracking and tooth fracture and damage to your teeth. The other great thing is, because we're using the white fillings, we don't have to drill away as much tooth as you would for a metal filling. That means we can keep your tooth stronger. The great thing with using porcelain is they're really durable and they can last anywhere between 10, 20 years or much longer, depending on how you look after them. The composite fillings, they do last well, but never is going to last as long as porcelain. So we can use them to replace silver amalgam fillings and create a healthier, more natural looking smile. By saving your decayed teeth, we're going to prevent the need for further and more extensive and usually more expensive treatment later on in life. So if you'd like to replace your dark discoloured metal fillings, or you know you've got cracks, chips and broken teeth, or teeth that are just a bit sensitive and possibly have decay, then come in, let's get a consultation, have a look around and work out the best course of treatment for you. So give us a call now, 3720 1811.